Blessings of Ramadan al-Mubarak. His first fast, awesome. Written by Mehwishashraf. Karachi, Pakistan. Osman turned 7 this Islamic month of Shahan. His parents and siblings were steadfast. His joy was visible because the arrival of the holy month of Ramadan was only a few days. During the winter holidays, he completed the recitation of the whole Holy Quran and got beautiful gifts from his grandparents, uncles, and aunties. He had requested his mother for permission to observe a fast during Ramadan, which she gave, seeing his enthusiasm. For him, Ramadan was often the topic of discussion. He also started performing prayers regularly. The Imam of the mosque, who was a friend of Osman's grandfather, was happy to see him in the mosque 5 times a day. Finally, the day arrived and the moon of Ramadan was sighted. Osman went to bed soon after finishing the Isha prayers. He had to wake up early in the morning. Happiness was visible in his glowing eyes. "Son! You go to bed now. I've set the alarm. Insha'Allah, we'll meet at Sari," his mother smilingly said. Sar was about to approach, but still, there was time for the alarm to ring. Osman woke up. Because of excitement, "Assalamu alaikum." His voice came. Everyone greeted him back. "Come on, son! Today will be your first fast. Congratulations!" Grandpa said as Osman sat beside him. "Believers, fasting has been enjoined upon you as it was enjoined upon the people before you, so that you may become pious." Al-Baqarah 2:183. Similarly, Hazrat Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated once that the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said while explaining the virtues of fasting, "Whoever fasts Ramadan with the intention of re-establishing faith, his previous sins are forgiven." Al-Bukhari, Al-Sahih, Kitab al-Sum, Chapter Fasting of Ramadan, Accountability from Al-Iman, 122, number 38. Osman was listening to these words carefully. He thanked his grandfather. Meanwhile, his mother set the table. Everyone enjoyed Sari, and with the sound of sirens, they started ablution. The family members performed far prayer and went to bed for rest, but Osman took the way to the seminary. After finishing his lesson, he took the way back home. He did not feel tired the whole day. After Zuhr, his mom took over the kitchen. Iftari was made special today. Meanwhile, Osman's uncle entered the home with a beautiful gift along with a bicycle for Osman. At Maghrib, everyone took iftar and paid gratitude to Allah for all these blessings.